Okay, good morning, student. Geometry chapter number 1, assignment number 1, part 2. In previous lecture, last point I have just explained heading of the theorem and formula. Today we will prove. After BPT, this is the second very important theorem. So what is given? Triangle A, B, C, P, Q, R are similar. Triangle A, B, C, similar triangle P, Q, R. To prove that area of triangle A, B, C divided by area of triangle P, Q, R is equal to first, second, second, third, first. AB, BC, CA, PQ, QR, RP. Square of 1. And construction. AM perpendicular to BC. Then I'll write PN perpendicular to QR. Proof. This formula is only applicable when two triangles are similar. So statement number 1, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Very important theorem. Given. Second, therefore sides are in proportion. AB, BC, CA. PQ, QR, RP. Sides are in proportion of two similar triangles. Third, now draw this. Now draw this. This is M, this is N. Now, in triangle ABN and triangle PQN, okay, B and Q already it is similar, congruent to angle. Triangle ABC, or simple you can write CACT, congruent angle of similar triangle. CAST, congruent angle of similar triangle. Then angle AMB, congruent P and Q, each 90 degree. So these two triangles are similar by it is full triangle similar, so we have written sides are in proportion. Then half of triangle left side or half of triangle right side, you can prove it is similar. Then again we will write sides are in proportion, equal proportion. ABN, so AB, BN, NA, PQ, QN, and same. Sides are in proportion of two similar triangles. Now, what is our question? To find this, after this you have to write same. Then area of triangle A, B, C, area of triangle P, Q, R. Half. What is the base? What is the height? What is the base? What is the height? Correct? From area of triangle. Formula. Half of cancel. Now BCQR. BCQR is exact equal to ABPQ and MPN that is also equal to ABPQ. So this is 8. From 8 substitution of second and 7. So AB square PQ square from 9 and 11 step. Similarly, we can say area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB BCCA PQQRRQ. Only one side square ratio is equal to the area ratio of area you have to prove because all three sides are in same proportion. So if ratio square of the ratio of this, then rest to already it is known. So first take full triangle, then write respective sides in proportion, equal proportion. Then make two part, left part equal. Similar. One angle already congruent. Second 90 we have constructed or drawn construction is 90. So similar by 8 is again write the ratio. First second third first write the ratio. Then first part, second part, third part. Third part area of triangle half height base, half of cancel. Height by height is equal to ABPQ. Base by base again it is ABPQ. That already there. So give the reference number. In textbook now from here they have given in a different way. So this is the easy way to prove this theorem. Okay, so go through this. This is simple proof. Now page number 26, 1246. Page number 26. First, that is MCQ. With respect to which it is similar, it is given. So A and Q. First pair is A and Q. Second pair B and R. Third pair C and P. So by this ratio, by this 1:1 vertex. And which of the statement is false, that is given. So first, second, third, E, F, D similar to R, Q, P. Similarity. So EF, FD, DE. First, second, third. RQ, QP, EF. After this, fourth one is wrong. 3 this are given. Fourth one, which is not suitable to this, it is wrong. Sides are in proportion and angles are congruent. So which statement are true? Triangles are not congruent, not similar. No, two pair of angles, if it is equal, so by AA test it is similar. So first statement wrong. Triangles are similar but not congruent. Yes, if one side is congruent, one pair of side is congruent, then similar triangle is said to be congruent. Second one correct. Triangles are congruent and similar both. No, when it is possible, all angles are congruent, all sides are congruent. Not of the above statement. So that is also wrong. So in question number 3, B is the correct. Then area by area is equal to given 1 by 2. See same formula. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. It is 1 by 2 given. But that is what AB by DE square. So 1 by 2. AB is given 4 by DE. So 1 by 2, it is 4 for the 16 DE square. So this is DE square 16 into 2. So 4 root 2. So that answer is D. Which statement are true that you are right? In fifth, X congruent to B angle, A congruent to A, common. Then Y congruent to C. So this triangles are similar. Now again write first, second, second, third, third first. XA, EY, YX. BA, AC, CB. These three are correct. So among this, first one, A is correct. Rest of are not matching to this, so wrong. Now very important question. These are MCQs, so I have not written the method. ABC. This much is 7. This much is 13. So this much is 6. Sorry, total is 20. So this much is 13. Okay. So area of triangle ABD, area of triangle ADC, area of triangle ABD, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ADC, area of triangle ABC. So for triangle number first ABD, height is same. For triangle number 2 ADC, height is same. For triangle ABC, also height is same. So for all three triangles, heights are common, or you can say it is equal. So we will consider only these, only these. So remove this AA. So it is BD by DC. Remove AA. So it is BD by DC. It is not similar, so that's why I am not writing square. When heights are equal, the ratio of area is exactly equal to the ratio of the base. AA cancel. So BD, wherever the BD write 7. Sumira, delete that person permanently.
Okay, sir.
No, this type of nuisance they are doing purposely. Just note down what is the name. Sumira, note down what is the name, bacha.
Okay, sir.
DC is 13. B2C 20. Reason common. Height 1 is equal to height 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. This is second one. Now fourth one. If they want to only enjoy, then why they are joining my lecture? It is not entertaining lecture. So for enjoyment they are coming. Again, you will write the same answer. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DCB is equal to AB by DC. Why? Now base 1 equal to base 2. Therefore, A1 is to A2 is equal to height 1 divided by height 2. So that is 6 by 8. Make it half. Two triangles are similar. Length of altitude drawn from the point T is 5 and the length of altitude drawn from S is 9. Find the ratio. Okay, now triangles are given similar. Triangle MNT QRS. Therefore, area of triangle MNT, area of triangle QRS. Altitude 1, altitude 2 square. That is 5 by 9. 25 by 81. Now come to the page number 27. 27 only we are doing. What time is it? 8 number listener. 7 also given. Okay. 6.4 minus x, this is x, this is 5, this is 3, and it is given parallel. So DE parallel AB given in triangle ABC. Therefore, by repeating basic proportionality theorem, from here we have to write CD by DA, CE by EB. So 3 by 5, 6.4 minus x divided by x, cross product, 3x multiply by this, so 640, 320. 320, so 32 minus 5x. This goes this side, 8x. Forza.
यार पेट दुख रहा।
Whose mic is on? Whose mic is on? In between the lecture, why you are opening your mic? I can't understand. 2ax is equal to 3bx. 2ax is equal to 3bx. So ax, this comes down. 3, this comes down. So this. And then they have given what is ax plus bx by bx. So this is component. 3 plus 2 by 2. So 5 by 2. Then they have given two triangles are similar. It is activity based. By AA test. So that BA by BX is equal to AC by XY. Therefore, 5 by 2 is equal to AC by XY. XY is given 9. So AC 45 by 2. Half of 45. 22.5. Correct? Then come to this question, page number 27, question number 5. That is also very important. In middle part, I write PQRS. MN. PQS is equal to 100. area of triangle PQS is equal to half into height into base. Half area is given 100, PN is given 10. So QS is equal to 100 into 2 divided by 20. Sumera, whose mic is on? Host, remove. So this much is 20. Now second part. Area of triangle QRS. Remove that base, height. This is 110 given. QS that we got 20. So NR that we want at the end. So 110 into 2 divided by 20. 0 is this. Centimeter is given. So at the end QS 20 centimeter. NR 11 centimeter. Angle bisector is not there. Triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR, and it is given 9 area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 area of triangle LMN. QR is equal to 20 MN question. So this will be here only, area of triangle PQR. This goes down, area of triangle LMN. This will remain here. This will goes down. And we know that area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle LMN is equal to QR. QR, second, third. So these two are equal, so these two are equal. Take square of this, 4 square, 3 square, in form of square. So taking square root of all the things. Here it is given 20. Now Mn we want, Mn. This into this divided by 4. 4 5s are 5 3s are 15. Correct? Now exactly similar. So when ना, whose mic is on बेटा? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Whose mic is on?
Sir, Khushi.
Remove Khushi. Smaller triangle side is given. So this is 2. ये खुशी आज गम की बात रही है. Smaller triangle they have given, correct? So instead of making this square, we will make this square root. 15 square, 9 square, 12 square, S1 square. Take square root of all the things, each and every term. 15, 9, S1, 12, S1, 15, 12, 9. With 3 2 times. 3 4s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. Centimeter. Which formula we have proved by the theorem? That is a theorem of ratio of area of two similar triangle that we are using, and on that base they will ask 100% one question. Area is given, you have to find out the ratio of side. If side is given, you have to find out the ratio of area, like that. One more it is given, same. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 2, and AB is equal to 4, find DE. So again, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB, so DE, AB square, DE square. But actual area of triangle ABC, area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 2. It is given. This is given and this is our formula. So left side equal, so right side also equal. Now AB is 4. So DE is equal to 4 into 4 into 2. 4 for the 16 into 2, 32. So Meena, how much minute remain, bacha? Hello?
What, sir?
How much minutes remain?
3 minutes, sir.
Okay, very good. The ratio of corresponding side of similar triangle. Find the ratio of the area. So side 1 by side 2, ratio of side is given. So A1 by A2 is equal to how much? When ratio of area given, you have to find out ratio of side. When ratio of side is given, both I am giving you example. Area 1 by area 2 is equal to side 1 by side 2 square. So area 1 by area 3 3 is 9, 5 5 is 25. Now suppose second example. This is first example. Second example. Area 1 by area 2, it is 75. 27. 75, 27. So how to find ratio of side? So we know that area 1, area 2 is equal to side 1, side 2 square. So this is 75, 27, side 1, side 2. See, from ratio of side to ratio of area, from ratio of area to ratio of side, and in this one side is given, another side you have to find, and sometime one ratio is given, another ratio you have to find. So that type of the comparison, only the base of this, that from which point we have started revision today. So square root of this is not possible. So this is 5 into 5 into 3. So it is 5 root 3. And this is 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So 3 root 3 square. Now take square root of each term. So this is 5 root 3, 3 root 3 is equal to S1, S2. Here with 3 also you can cut. 25, 9. Then also it is okay. Okay, then you can write 5 by 3 square. Okay. Student, instruction number 1, first try to join maximum number of the student. This live lecture is for you only. Instruction number 2, video and audio should be closed. I will consider that whatever I are doing this no are doing purposely. Some two time I have seen that students are sharing the screen. Means you are doing time pass. You are not concentrating. This is a math subject. 100% concentration is required. So switch off your mic. Camera also closed. You just pin up my account. By headphone, you just listen my voice. If you have any doubt, suppose you want to ask anything, raise your hand. Host will allow you to speak, and I will reply related to this, not any other question that you can ask in WhatsApp. So from last few days, I was not suffering from this type of disturbance, but today's after every 5 minutes, I will stop that. Close your mic. Close your mic. What is this? Tomorrow we will do algebra second assignment. We have 10 assignment. For all assignment, I will give 2 lectures. So whatever the numbers I have given, and some problem are there with the numbers. So if there is any this you just please tally with the textbook number, and if there is any correction, you please let me know. So I can also correct in rest of the WhatsApp message. Okay, so Mira, close the meeting today.